The winner takes it all, the loser standing small beside her victory. That's her destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I belonged there. I figured it made sense, building me a fence, building me a home, thinking I'd be strong there. But I was a fool, playing by the rules. The gods may throw the dice, their minds as cold as ice. But someone way down here loses someone dear. The winner takes it all. The winner takes it all. Now you are my dream, you are my only dream. I'll hold you in my heart forever. Who needs to dream? Who needs to dream? When I see you there, then I see my every dream come true. Who needs to dream when there is you? Who needs a heaven for my whole life through? Who needs to dream? You're my dream come true. Every dream, all come true. My dream come true. Lived, I've laughed and cried, I've had my fill, my share of losing. And now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that. And may I say, not in a shy way, oh no, no not me, I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things